Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dig deep into beauty products to bring you the insights that matter. Today, we're talking about the Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Moisture Replenish Conditioner. If your hair is feeling dry and damaged, this product promises to hydrate, restore, and strengthen your strands. But does it actually deliver? Let's take a closer look. And before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review like this. The Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Moisture Replenish Conditioner is designed to replenish moisture and strengthen hair, particularly for those dealing with dryness and damage. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free, which is great news for anyone looking for a cleaner, more gentle formula. Black seed oil, the hero ingredient here, is known for its rich healing properties, so it's no surprise that this conditioner promises soft, shiny, and frizz-free hair. I've been using this conditioner for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it's been a game changer. The texture is creamy but not too heavy, and it spreads easily through the hair. The scent is subtle but pleasant, nothing overpowering, which I appreciate. When I applied it, I noticed how it detangled my hair almost immediately, making it feel smooth and manageable. After rinsing, my hair didn't feel weighed down, which is sometimes a concern with rich conditioners. Instead, it felt soft and hydrated. I tested this product under different conditions, both on a regular day and after a long workout. No matter the scenario, I was impressed with how it restored moisture without making my hair greasy. I have fine hair, so sometimes products like this can leave a residue, but this one didn't. It actually enhanced the shine without compromising volume. Now, let's break it down with the pros and cons. On the plus side, it definitely delivers on its promise of moisture replenishment. The texture is just right for daily use, and my hair feels softer with each use. Plus, the fact that it's sulfate and paraben-free means it's more gentle on the hair, which is always a win. On the flip side, if you have very thick or coarse hair, you might need to pair this conditioner with a leave-in product to lock in even more moisture. While it does hydrate, it's not as heavy as some other treatments that are better suited for more porous hair types. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's definitely worth the price if you're looking for a high-quality conditioner that checks off all the boxes: moisturizing, strengthening, and free from harsh chemicals. For its performance and size, 25 odds, it seems like a fair price, especially considering the brand's reputation for quality. If you're eyeing this product but feel hesitant about the price, there are alternatives to consider. For example, if you're looking for something more affordable, Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner gives similar results at a lower cost. Both brands focus on nourishment and protection, so it's about finding what works best for your hair type and budget. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The pump is easy to use, and the conditioner itself has a nice creamy consistency that doesn't drip or make a mess. No complaints here. So, after all my testing and use, here's my verdict. The Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Moisture Replenish Conditioner lives up to its promises of moisture and strength. It's perfect for those with dry or damaged hair who need a reliable, gentle conditioner that gets the job done. If you're someone who values high-quality, cruelty-free, sulfate-free products, this one is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this product or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. And remember, if you're interested in giving it a try, the link is in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.